I'm from Planything and I'm going to show you the new box, the Happy Spring box. It's for January 2021. It contains a lot of florals, happy spring colors, pastel colors, Easter bunnies, Easter eggs, just one springy feeling box, which I really hope you enjoy. I'm going to show you all the products and I hope you like them. Let's start.
Hi everyone, let's start unboxing this box from the Happy Spring box. This box comes in a brown, bigger box than normal because there's a punch in here and didn't fit in the white box, so that's why you're receiving this one in this box. Okay, let's start unboxing this box. The January box comes in a cute pink bag with this cute Happy Spring card. On the other side of the card you can see what is in here. 3 paper sticker sheets, 3 clear sticker sheets, 4 double-sided A5 paper sheets, 2 skinny washi tapes, 2 normal washi tapes, 1 cute pouch, 1 notepad, 1 pen and 1 flower punch. Okay, let's start showing you all the products. Are all the washi tapes, some cute pink with florals, some blue with florals, some yellow with Easter eggs and a cute Easter bunny. And I can also show you how they look like on paper. They look really cute. And as you can see, it's all going to match together. All the patterns from the washi tapes, from the paper, from the stickers, everything is coming back. It's all coordinating together. That's what all the Planything boxes are. They match all together. Then we're going to this cute notepad with the florals. You can just write all your plans, write it down and even punch it. So you can add it to your planner, or you can stick it, you can glue it and add it to your planner. You can just do a lot with this, and I think it's really cute florals. Let's put everything here. Then we have this super cute yellow pen with yellow gems, and also of course it says Planything. I really like these pens. They're really my favorite and they write so smooth. Then we have the cute floral pouch. I had this kind of pouch also in August for the autumn box, and you made clear this was one of your favorite type of pouches. So I decided to also make one for spring, so you can use this one this time of the year with the florals and the bright and the pastel colors. You can storage a lot of in here. You can add your pens, all your washies. Here you can add pens, and you can even add the punch in this. So it's really good storage for all of your planner stuff. Then I'm going to the papers that are in this box. They're double-sided and they're floral and Easter themed. Here you have the cute bunnies with the cute Easter eggs, the florals, a little more Easter bunnies, more florals, and then the other side are more florals, Easter eggs, and more florals. So it's a really fun springy box with a lot of florals for your spring layouts, and well, florals always can be used in my opinion. That's why I love them so much. And the Easter is for the end of March when you're using you're making your Easter spreads. So let's go to the stickers. In this box there are 6 sticker sheets total, and 3 paper sheets and 3 clear sticker sheets. The paper sheets are always the boxes you are used to getting in the Planything box. I really love all the patterns matching all together. I always also like playing a bit with the shapes of the boxes. Sometimes I do diamonds, some Christmas ornaments, and this time I'm created Easter eggs as boxes. I really like this one also with all the colors. And also round stickers and the long box that people really like, so I'm definitely using it, will be using it more in the future boxes. Then the clear stickers, they are transparent, so you don't have any white background. These are some cute Easter stickers, some really floral stickers and more floral stickers. Then the final out item, and one of my favorites, is the punch, the floral punch. They come in all kind of different colors. This one is pink with yellow, but this one, for example, is blue with green and yellow, and some are red or purple. They're all different kind of colors. What I really like of this, the sizes of this punch is that you can use it, you can punch it and use it and stick it in your planner, but you also can punch the border of your planner, so you have a row of these cute florals. Let's punch it so you can see. Let's see, I can show you. You see here is the shape of the floral, and here you have the size, and you can also stick this in your planner, of course. So I think this is a really cute box with a lot of sweet planner goodies. And this box is available to order until the 24th of January or until it sells out. Yes, I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing, and thank you all for subscribing or purchasing the individual boxes. And I hope you have a great day. Bye!